I'm in the empire business.
Welcome to our channel, Geek Studios. Um, this is our first video, and I would like to elaborate on what this channel will be about. Um, we'll be basically just doing the basic stuff of computers. For those who have not been exposed that much to computers, we'll be learning how to type documents, your application letters, your CVs, and we'll also be learning how to design presentations using PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint. This might be useful and when we are going to pitch an idea to a certain organization, we need to have a slide presentation packed. What else are we gonna do? We'll be doing HTML basics for web development. This might be of huge help to students, especially those doing grade 12, doing ICT, and also those in university pursuing their computer science studies. Basically myself, I'm still a student, pursuing a degree in IT, and today we'll be doing so today we'll be learning the basics of Microsoft PowerPoint, so that next time we get deeper. So when we open the app, the Microsoft presentation application, what we see first is this display that is showing on our screen right now. We have a blank presentation, and then we have templates of these themes that come with the Microsoft installation. I'm using Microsoft Office 2019. Usually people start with choosing these templates, these themes, but I like to start with a blank presentation. So when I open the blank presentation, this is our display. We have just a few text box right here. There are only two. And then we have our home tabs, different tabs right here. We have home, insert, draw, design, transition, animation, slideshow, record, review, view help, storyboarding, and shape formats. This is only appearing because I have selected this object. So these tabs perform different functions. Our home tab, what can we do in our home tab? We can paste, we can add a new slide, fonts, paragraphing. We have justified, center aligned. It's more like Microsoft Word, shape format and shape outline. Insert, we'll be using this tab a lot because we are going to insert certain things on our presentations. We have insert a picture. Shapes, we'll be using shapes more often. We have read art. Those are just different text styles that we're gonna use in our presentations. Then we have a draw tab, which is we're not gonna concentrate much on it because now we're not gonna be drawing anything. And then we have design with the themes that come with the package, and then we have format background. This is so important because it shows this window. We're gonna be using this window for editing our slides. For example, we can format our background right now by selecting a color, and I'll format this background with a blue. There you go. Our slide background is blue right now. But we'll be using mainly this window for almost every editing, yeah. And then we have transitions. Transitions is just for our slide presentations, the way our slide goes to the next slide, the way it the entrance exactly of the next slide. We have random bars, how it's exactly as displayed right here. We have push, we have wipe. So this is the entrance of our slides, and then we have animations. Animations is just basically for making our slide presentations more appealing to the group that we're presenting to. For example, let me write Geek Studios. I'll write Geek Studios right here, and then I wanna animate this Geek Studios. May I use the color white to for so that we can actually see clearly. I go to the home tab and then I select the font color, but basically we could also do it on this window that I said we're gonna use it more often. I will choose text options because we're editing the text, not the shape. Solid color, yes, already selected for us, and then I come to this bucket icon. I choose a color. I'll choose a light orange so you can actually see, but I'll put on the white back. May I bold this? Animations are just the movements of our objects right here. When we actually presenting, we have fly in. Geek Studios is flying. We have split. We have to see it split. There you go. We'll be using this when we're designing our slides. And then we have slideshow. This is just the display of our slides. This is what we are going to project when we are pitching our projects. You know. What else? Record. This is for recording our screen. What else? We have review. This is for spellings and languages, just to make sure everything is just making sense. The view, we have slide master. Slide master is it's just the master of the slides. What you do in the master slide would appear everywhere. If you wanna have a footer, you put it in a master slide, and every slide in that project is gonna have a footer, just as the same as the one in the master slide. Help. Now we're not gonna be using this. So the basic stuff, I just wanna insert a picture. How to insert a picture in Microsoft PowerPoint. I'll just insert a picture. I go to insert tab and then insert a picture from where this device. This device, may I go to desktop to get a picture? This beautiful picture right here. I press on it and then click on insert. There you go. There's our picture right here, and we can actually just customize it by reducing its size, and that's by the two arrowed line that can actually appear here for a bigger size but maintaining the same aspect ratio. I can also reduce its thickness by using the arrowed one that is adjacent. But yeah, it's basically that I can move this picture around using the four arrowed two lines right there. It looks like a cross. I can move around the picture. I can also move that Geek Studios text and just put it right next to it like that. There you go. What else can we learn to do in Microsoft? Just the basic stuff for now. We can also insert videos. Here's a video from where this device. I can also insert an audio, and how you control these things is due to the animation pane. That maybe after inserting the picture, after it displays on the projector, I want certain music to start playing. All that you do it on this tab, the animations and the animation pane, which also has a timer. But we're gonna go deep into that when we're actually doing these presentations. But for now, we were just doing the basic stuff, and then I wanna edit the the font of this Geek Studios. I just put on a random font. This is called Aptus Display. Size, I can reduce it using these A with an arrow that is facing down, or I can increase it with an arrow that is facing up, as shown here. What else can we do here? I can also add texts. How do I add text? I go to our insert and then word art, and I just personally love this one. Here, this is where it's written your text. Here I'm gonna highlight it and then write my text. Let's just write some random stuff, maybe about the picture, and just say nature is amazing. Visit our esteemed tourist site. As we can see, our text is not aligned perfectly, so we have to edit it. Firstly, we have to fix the dimensions. I will use this arrow to reduce the thickness, so I'll put it like that, drag it. Let's see how it appears now. Oh, it appears that way, not the way that we want. Let's just drag it again to the size now, and then add a color that we can see. I'll use this window that I talked about. Let's put on a solid color, white again, so we can clearly see. Here's our text, and it has reflections that I don't want. I come here, text effects, and then after text effects, reflections, and then presets. On presets, I click on none. And then now what we have to do is reduce the size of our text. We come to the home tab, and then the arrow that is facing down. We reduce our text till it's perfectly fine. That's how you basically add that. What else can we also add here? But with the backgrounds, we don't have to click on the text. We have to just click on the background itself. And then what do we have? We also have a gradient fill. Gradient fill is for okay, let me just say preset gradients. I click here, so we can actually see our preset gradients. We have a gold background, we have greenish background. We can play around with these colors, and just create a more appealing presentation. Basically just that, and then playing around with the colors, radial, linear. We have linear, rectangular path of the way that we want our colors to appear at the background. I usually like radial. What else can we add? How to add a new slide? We click on the home tab, new. I wanna add a blank slide, and then we can also edit the side. Let's go back to that one, and yeah, I think it's basically that. And then on the next video, we'll be learning how to design a flyer. We'll have assemble flyer and then design it using Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.